Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how to disable login password on your Mac. So first open system preferences, then click on security and privacy. Now here you can see require password, untick that. Now your Mac will ask you to enter the password for your Mac, enter it and then click on OK. And then your Mac will show you a prompt and it asks you, are you sure you want to turn off screen lock? Your saved passwords and important data can be used by others who have access to your Mac if you turn off screen lock. Now click on turn off screen lock. Your Mac will give you another prompt to and ask if you want to turn off keychain as well. You can either keep using keychain or turn off keychain. It is as per your wish. Now you have successfully disabled the login password screen on your Mac. So that is how you disable login password on your Mac. Thank you.